Hi, I'm Mopelola Esan from Nigeria, an aesthetician. My reason for choosing the chemical peel course at AMA is because I find out that chemical peel is the in thing right now in my country, and I know that I've read a lot about it, and I know it can treat a lot of skin conditions. Basically, I've read a lot about pills, and I found out that it can treat a lot of skin conditions ranging from acne, pigmentation, and so many other things. So far for me, the highlights have been me knowing the do's and the don'ts, and knowing the products that works, and the different skin types and the best things that will work for the different skin types. It's been a nice time. I've learned so much. I've learned a lot. I would say I would recommend everyone I meet that is interested in this course to IMA.